My name is Mason Salam Paskili, and I am the son of Paskili from village Hajjal Paskili. I will tell for you some most beneficial information about disadvantages of social media or internet or any other device in which has Twitter, Google, and also including Facebook, and alongside with mostly use of Chrome. So I also tell you about this point. Nowadays, children many suffering from disease. Most common disease in the world of eyes strain means eyes weakness, because we can go to doctor. Doctor also advise us. Please, you tell me our children prohibited from internet or social media. If the children use of more of internet, he will suffering from many disease, and he can also most particular disease in cardiovascular disease. Cardiovascular disease means our heart is damaged, not clearly pump. So whatever say you or my this point.
I understand my father is You said that many diseases caused by internet.
Okay.
We have a big disease. We can call ambulance and go to hospital. We can go. We can go to hospital. It's a time of a waste of time.
If we prevent and useful escape of avoid from internet, we can also use internet, but not more than use of internet. When we use of internet, we can not use of hospital or doctor. We can treat ourselves.
You have a bigger disease like cancer, TB. You go to hospital. You can go what? The patients can be dead.
Nowadays in the world, vehicle, you can say that vehicle is a common in the world, and many any vehicles we can also traveling in vehicle. You cannot clearly my point. You say about vehicle in which not inclusive. You can say that advantages of internet.
You have called the driver and he takes the car. You use the internet.
Can use I say it again. I use of internet, but not more than use of internet. Nowadays, many people's use of internet going to negative point, and in the world, many hackers and many intelligence means hacking our account. What do you know? Do you know many people hacking our account and steal our money, and we can not do this. Why should we do?
What do you want to say regarding hacking? Hacking is used to steal the identity of someone's name.
We can call the police. Police can investigate the hacker and we get Google, internet, get our account.
Hacker many intelligence who can forget application on internet. So how you can found of hacker? You can forget our application on internet.
I
So
cannot.
I say that many hackers very intelligent and use of earning money and hacking your account, then who forget application from internet. So you call the police. Why should Why do police?
Police should find our account.
If the police, you say that if the police find our account and not any clue or proof on internet, because the intelligent man, I can also say that intelligent hacker who can delete application or any proof on internet. So how you can found out hackers?
We can check our account.
Okay.
You have to say that whenever you install any Facebook, when you will install Facebook, then you have to put your information. So after completing the process, whole process of information, you have to put a authenticator. Authenticator means security, password. You have to take in password on your account, and whenever you install any apps, don't allow them to that utilize your personal information. And there are too much scammers over here. If you are a friend, if your friend went to any abroad or anything else, someone else want to make his name's account and demand money, you have to check at least by calling him, by calling that is it your friend or someone else. So by this thing you will avoid from hacking. Understand what I'm going to say to you? Sir, this is his point. Now, Craig, any other point?
Other point.
Yeah.
When common being internet, it is caused by many disease spread, in which include also common disease eye stents. I can say again eye stent, in which many people feel darkness and also feel puzzled our mind. And many people feeling and many people suffering from depression.
Anxiety, depression. This is
Depression.
great point. Now you have to claim this point.
So how you avoid from depression? If you use our internet, you can be suffering from depression and other many disease of health issues problem.
We have not used mobile much more.
Oh,
Now you are favoring
I
that
see.
disadvantages of
Very
internet
good point.
are more essential than advantages. You are favoring his point. You are favoring him.
Sir, I said that I use internet, but no more. It is not disadvantage.
Okay, okay, okay.
you can favoring my but I said it again and I said the I can use internet but least than internet. You can favoring my point. You can follow my point.
Many positive points of internet.
Okay.
We can earning money. We can see match.
Exactly, I said that you can favoring my point. I has been said that.
And many positive points of internet. We can earning money. We can see match. We can not need to go to stadium and see the match. No need of
This is his valid point. Now you have to claim this point.
Not for only earning money from internet, but because any other steps we can follow and more than earning money we can start the business but use of internet but not use of internet particular time, not more than use of internet, and we can caring our health, we can sleep early and wake up early, not late sleep. When we sleep late, we can puzzle our mind, and I can say that also we can suffering from depression, and we can in which many disease we can suffering from paralysis our organ not particular use, and we can also feel weakness, and we cannot available any new work.
in Corona, the shops, schools, hospitals are closed. You want to learn something, but the schools are closed. And learning from internet.
This is a valid point that everything has been shifted on the soft system, means internet. He's very clear about it. Even the university's classes were to be held on internet. It means the classes were not physically conducted. Now you have to claim this point. What do you want to say about this point? In pandemic situation, in corona situation.
We can follow any steps, useful steps, and we can use internet, but not more than use internet. We can read paper, we can read newspaper, and we can also use internet, but only for contact, not for only visiting Google and any website. And nowadays, many people use negative point and goes negative and fake videos and also use not involuntary point and unnecessary video seeing. We can use internet, but only for contact our relative and our nearby.
Not clear.
I also clear your point.
His point is that even the many employees of multinational companies, federal companies, private companies, they were also restricted to come in the offices. They had said that you have to perform your duty at your houses. At houses on what? On internet. So this is his point.
If the corona come on being, we can follow up government steps and instruction, and whatever says the government, we can follow it, and not for only uses of internet, because many intelligence and many scientists research on it, not more than use of internet. When you use of internet, we can suffer from any disease. I can say this again. We can suffering from disease and not particular work.
Okay, fair enough.